for the day?
No.
What slide are you going to do first?
None. I want to go on the rapid.
Wow. Actually, I don't blame you for that one.
Josh, say hi.
You'll be fine. It's just one time.
Imagine going the normal lane.
Happy birthday! It's sit time. So some of our bands are not working correctly, so we have to go fix it.
Literally everybody except 2 people.
Yeah, so we have to go look at that. But hopefully we can get it figured out so we can ride Croca.
What's it called?
Crocodile?
Whatever the water roller coaster at Volcano.
Cool. Oh, you should be like the marketing person. You already know all of the stuff here.
I've only been here once.
What ride are you not allowed to ride?
There's this one ride where it like has a drop and it's like a really deep pool, but I'm not allowed to go on it because I wear shirts. But he got to go on it and he has a shirt on too. So
they told you couldn't ride it because you had a shirt on.
Maybe because yours is more loose? No, but last time I had a tight shirt on, like a tight bathing suit shirt on, and they said I couldn't go.
That makes no sense.
That doesn't make sense. People are you can wear like
I'm a paid resident. I'm not gonna be a Karen today, but I am a paid resident and I can go on a ride if I want to.
Like, hello?
Kidding, of course.
Wait!
Whoa. I told
Oh my god!
Awesome! Where my dogs at?
Josh! Zaelin in my back. What? You look like you got really evil plans right now.
Stop filming it, you weirdo. Oh, that's the dead one I killed.
Like soccer time, it was so fun. I'm sadly I couldn't film it, but that was a blast. Josh, no. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay? Zaelin, it's your birthday! Get out! Oh my god! On your birthday! There. Hi guys! Hiya!
Where my dogs at?
Y'all, if y'all want more videos with Kelsey, let me know. I have missed you so much. It's been so long.
It
so
really has.
We'll get her on the next few ones.
Oh.
What's happening? My YouTube channel.
TikTok bully.
I'm passing the phone to the loudest person here.
Wow. I'm passing to the phone that looks like a bandana.
I'm passing the phone to my twin Ginger.
I'm passing the phone to someone who's obsessed with Andrew Garfield.
Yeah, he's not wrong. I'm passing the phone to someone who has taken like 3 naps today.
It is true. I love to sleep. I'm passing the phone to the Disney Queen.
I'm passing the phone to the person that's most obsessed with money.
I'm passing the phone to my preschool bully. Wait, no.
I'm passing the phone to TikTok bully and high school bully.
Well. I'm passing the phone to someone who needs hearing aids.
I probably do. I'm passing the phone to someone who's always confused in ASL class.
All right, I'm passing the phone to. I'm passing the phone to a munchkin.
I guess I am a little bit of a Oompa Loompa. Anyway, I'm passing the phone to someone that's most obsessed with Haley Steinfeld.
I mean, she's not wrong, but way to call me out like that. I'm passing the phone to someone who got banned on social media.
Okay, we're done.
So we just ate, and now we're gonna go back to our chairs, and I think we're gonna get on the water slide maybe. Kelsey's a little scared, but
No, my feet hurt.
okay, well her feet hurt. And then we're gonna get pina coladas, margaritas.
Yeah.
Like,
You keep blocking me. Yeah, Josh.